Hey team, Carl here, Red Bean Recipes. Today we're going to make some squid ink pasta with some Moreton Bay bugs and king prawns. Let's get you started.
That's what she said.
Okay, to start we're going to grab half a bunch of dill, pick the nicest sprigs from it and keep the rest to one side. Give it a rinse to make sure there's no grit in there. Grab a bunch of chives, take the tops off, then neatly slice about half of the bunch. The half that you don't use, pop it into a jug along with the leftover dill with 1 cup of oil. And give that a good blend. Strain it through a sieve. And you keep that to one side until we're ready to make the sauce.
Thanks. Slice time.
These are Moreton Bay bugs. Best way to describe them is a mini lobster.
Rah! Ah! Who lives here? I'm coming to get whoever lives here. You owe me lobster money.
So we're going to cut down the centre. Oh, found a little bit of roe there as well. And split them open. Then we're going to tease out the meat by just peeling it away from the shell. Give it a rinse just to make sure there's no shell or any nasties stuck to it. And chop them up into bite-sized pieces.
Gonna need some fat garlic, measured with my heart. Clearly not enough.
Crush the garlic and give it a good chop up. Now we're going to make our pasta. So we're putting 400 grams of flour, make a little well, 4 whole eggs, a teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of squid ink. Mix it all together using the fabulous KitchenAid. Thank you, James. Once it's mixed, get it out, give it a good knead for about 10 minutes or so. And let it rest for about 30 minutes. After it's rested, we're going to roll it out and cut it into strips using the back of a knife. I'm not blunting my knives on my bench here. I'm going to roll it through a couple of times. We're going to fold it up and roll it through again on the pasta mangle till we get it down to the thinnest we can. Got Big James here giving us a hand. Doing all the fun work, let me do all the shit work. Now I've added an attachment and this will cut it into spaghetti for me. Once I've cut that, I'll mix it in with some flour again just to make sure it doesn't get stuck together.
Whoa, very nice.
Now cooking our sauce up. So oil, a hot pan with some garlic, Push it all to one side, add a dash more oil as the garlic soaked up the majority of it. We'll pop in our king prawns and Moreton Bay bugs. Give it a good toss around, pinch of salt. $50 grams of butter. Let that melt down. Big squeeze of lemon. Turn the heat really far down on this and pour the oil mixture in. Now to cook the pasta, get the water to a simmer, drop it in, give it a good stir, pop the lid on for the time being. Once it's cooked, should take maybe 4 minutes. Strain it, and get it back into that sauce, give it a mix, and we're ready for plating. So spaghetti in first, make sure we get some prawns and bay bug meat in there. Spoon in some of the sauce. Some chives over it. Some fresh dill. And some flowers.
But I'm still tough and sexy.
Delicious. Yum. I mean the flour.
Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.